Hello guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new to this channel, please hit the likes button and subscribe. In today's video, we'll be designing a child dedication flyer, so watch to the end. Let's get started. Okay guys, let's get started with the training. So you open your Pixellab, this default, then we have to change the image size. Let's use image size of 1400, height 1600. Okay, it's okay like this. So what we do, let's import the image. If you want the image, just let me know, so I just bring the image. So in the image, so okay, this is what we'll be designing. So move this text. So what we'll do, let's first of all just get the background color of this. So if you want to get the background color, we'll pick it. So I'll move over to the fourth icon in the by your right. So pick on the color. Let me pick it. Should I use I think this is okay. I think that's okay. You can pick the color from the image, but I just want to do something. Anyway you want to pick color, you can pick color any way you want. So I think it's okay. Then any color you want to use is fine. Then what we'll do now is to import our image. That's the image of the baby. Then let's go. So this is the image of the baby. Let's crop it a bit. Okay. So this baby picture, we want to full the screen, so that full the screen. Let's measure it. Let's see. Okay. So we are good. So what next? There is a circle. So let's do a circle. How to do a circle? Your plus icon, then shape, then inside this find circle. Then let's put our circle here. Okay, it's okay. So just put the color. The color we'll be using. This. Now this. So this one is okay. Even though it's not exactly. You get it? So another circle. Let's duplicate the circle. Then we'll just make it smaller. I think it's okay. Then we can change the color of the circle. Please know where I'm using. So color of the circle. So let's just pick the color, please, so that we will not be having. So we know. So we're getting exactly what I'm getting here. This is my color picker. Okay, good. Then we'll reduce the size a bit. Whichever way size you use is okay. It must not be very perfect. So the next thing we have to do is we're gonna work with our text. Next, we start writing the text. Okay, so let's write a 9 AM text. 9 AM text. 9 AM. That's it, right? So you can use any font you like, but basically in this video you'll be using the fonts that I downloaded. Let's see the fonts. Okay, using a colors regular, just like how it is. Then the color is white, then we'll change it to white. Okay, let's move it. This is your position to then to move it to inside the circle. Inside the circle. Then we increase the size. This one increase a bit bigger than what we're seeing the post. Increase the size. You can still increase it more. It's okay. So let's lock our circle. One is 2026 January. Okay. Well, I want to duplicate this so that I'll just pick it easily. Okay, we just reduce it a bit. Okay, 26. Let us write 26 first. Then January. Okay, the reason why I am duplicating it so that it'll be easy for us to just move ahead. So I shift it to I'm using relative position to move it easily. So I'll just go over to position to adjust it to where I like it to be. I'm going to change it to January. Okay, is where I want it. So you click on this your edit button. So you add January. So I think the size is too big. We'll reduce the size. Sorry. Reduce the size. That's the size. Size is even okay. So everything must not be the same. So this is your 26. See why it's going to lock something. Those are the things you face because I'm doing this video. So let's lock our 26 and January. Lock them, will not be able to move. Lock, click on the padlock button, then you can duplicate it and simply use your relative position to put it to the center, then middle, then you can only use your position to move it. So I want to do I will not change the text to TH, but I think I'll change the font for this TH because their font is in this picture is very light. So I'll change the font. Let me check anything that is very light. Okay, yeah, there are a lot of things that are light here. Let's use Roboton bold. It's very light. Also the size, let me make it a bit smaller. Okay, good. It's okay like this. But I am thinking this color of this area because it's even the color in what we are doing. The first color. Do you notice that? So if you notice something like that, we can just go over to this color and edit it. Let's see if we can edit it. Let's see what we can do. This color, let's see. So we pick this color picker, then go over to the image then click on it. So this is the color. I think this is our color. So we click on good. So this is our color. Just notice that. So what we'll do next is let's look at what we did. What we'll do next is write 2025. Just duplicate any of this text. Then you can use relative position to make it faster, putting centers. Okay, then use a position to move it. Okay, before we now change it to 2025. Okay, I think it's big, so we reduce it a bit. I think it's okay like this. Okay, then we can now change the text 2025. Good. Its ending is okay. So what next? So there's a little bit thing we'll do here. I want to just make the edges covered. So there's something else. We want to use a a shape to form, to blend what's it called, to blend it out at the top. Or you understand it later on. So what I meant is we'll create a, like something like we are blending a shape on top of what we are doing. Let's just do it. So let's say we get a rectangle like this. Okay, can make it bigger a bit, so it's okay. Then what we'll do, we can reduce the opacity to like 34. I think it's okay. There's no stroke now, there's no stroke color. There's no stroke. Then so what we'll now do, this image, this rectangle, we'll take it behind the circle. So what we'll now do, I think we'll use eraser to work. This thing is white. If you change it to any color, you see that when we are cleaning it, it will now be different. So I want to form something, so you can increase it with this. Okay, so I'm forming something like a free space. It's normal blend that I used to do in Pixellab. So anyhow I do it, it'll be okay. I don't know if you see that the effect that is making it. So the effect is there. So if I remove it, you see that this place is just, so the rectangle of this image is just showing. But if we on the effect back, it's no longer there a bit. Let's increase the opacity. Let's increase the opacity a bit. Okay, so it's no longer there. So I hope you see this effect. You can see this thing that is showing. So I'm just putting it here. So I think it's okay like that. So I want to clean some parts. No, not stroke. Eraser is where it is. So that's how we normally do it. Okay, I have to do it back again. Sorry for that. It's time for you to understand it a bit. So this image, you want to just put a circle in, like you want to clean the edges up like in it. So you can just go over to eraser. You can see it's white. Then increase this, then clean it. You can just use the eraser to clean it. Just try and do what works for you, but the evidence will be there. I don't know. Yeah, you can see it now, right? Some part is clean, some part is still showing. So it's okay like this. So opacity, I can reduce the opacity a bit, but you can see that something is there. Like the blend is now like everything. I don't know if you understand what I'm doing, sure, but it's just okay like this. So we move. So basically what we'll be doing next is to adding the family and the other things to it. Yeah, the family, the text that will start adding. If you notice something, the sharp edge is just so obvious here. We can just use this this background color that cover everything, you can just instead of using gradient, you can just copy. Okay, let's even use gradient. You can just use the color. You can use the color that's in the baby image. So we just go back to this last one here. See is active, then color, click on color, then this color up, not gradient now. Click on the plus sign, color picker, then just pick the color in that's this image, the baby image. So like everything just blend once. Okay, yeah, we are not seeing any more difference. Yeah. So why for this we can increase the opacity a bit, or we can reduce a bit, put it at medium. I don't know if you can see it. Oh, as designer, most times we use this for blending a bit. So what next? So the family. So I go over to my text tool and copy the family of your own is just way to type it. I don't want to waste time. Let me copy like that. Just write the family. So what we'll do, should I duplicate? Okay, let me just do text, then I'll fix everything. So pardon, something like that do happen a lot of time. So let me just paste it, the family. So I'll just press type D. Okay, so this black. So where will we put this now? So take it upward a bit. No. Okay, let's put it here. Let's just put it upward a bit. It's okay here. So we can now put the color. Yeah, the color black. Then I just like that my font there's what is called colors regular. I just like it. So it's too bold, that's the truth. It's too bold. We just use another font. Can use Roberto regular. Better regular again. We cannot bold it here. Still too bold. I don't want it to be bold. This is okay. Let's leave it like this. Then we'll continue. So duplicate this. So I'll just copy my text easily. Drag this. Then that's Mr. and Mrs. Andrew. Then I think I have all the text here. Okay, Mr. and Mrs. Andrew. Okay, yeah, it's here. So you can reduce the size. The size is not very big. Go over to size. I think it's okay this way. Then I can take this one a bit. So observe it. This color is for the color for this 9M, this circle. So that's why we change it. So this in the A section, then change it to this color. Yeah, it's okay like that. I think it's okay. Or we can make this. We can change the font. Let's go to recent font. So it's okay like this. Yeah, then cordially invite you to, let's do that one. We can use this. Let's duplicate it. This will just copy it, or I'll just write it. Then I can pause my video and do it. So I write it. So what I'll do is change the color to black, and it's not that big. I think it's okay this way. Then you can see there is a rectangle under. Yeah, as a rectangle, you see it as a line, but how we form that is rectangle shape. Then you can just do that rectangle, form a rectangle, form a line, make it small, then just drag it, then put color. Then drag it. Drag it. Okay, so the color, we simply change the color. You can see the color that is being used. I think this is still big, or the opacity is too high. Okay, use the opacity. Fist still big. I think it's okay like this, so otherwise we'll spend the whole time here. Wherever you want to, however you want it, just do it like that. I actually feel it's still big, but it's okay. Then child dedication. Let's I want to duplicate this 9am. Duplication is just for us to make it faster instead of me going to write text again. Then it's child, we edit the child, then change the color. Child, the color is the text. Once in this text, you go over to the A selection. So I think we'll use this. Is this the color that was used there? No. So let us go and pick the color. Is this one that I was using now? Okay, let's use this one. I think that's this one. This is not actually the one that was used. Let's go and pick it from the image. Yeah, so this is okay this way. The color is not popping. I don't know if you notice, or it's not thick. Right, then duplicate the child. Then you can now put the text of dedication. So this dedication. Let's go. So what we'll do here, you go to over to E. Then we want to make the spacing for the dedication a bit longer. I think it's okay like this. Then let's lock it. So this is what we are seeing. So let's see what we do next. So the next thing we'll do is to put lines on it, to put 2 lines on it. So that's the next thing. So we'll go over to shape. Then we just need a small line, then we'll duplicate it. Small line. I think this one is too big. So I can change the color. This color was used here. Not this color was used. I think this color was used. But the color is too Just to opacity, you can reduce the opacity a bit. I just increase the opacity back. So you have to play with it, whichever one is okay. Then this your line, you duplicate it. But let me use my this version to bring it. So it's good you lock it. Then what then? So we have to write to their baby dedication, to their baby boy. So I want to duplicate this quarterly right, to drag it, then paste the baby boy. Let's move it to the center. If it's too big, we can reduce it to. It must not actually be the same. You get, so just have the idea of it. With practice, you make perfect. Then the next thing we do is this excellency Osara. So we can use any of this. You can duplicate it, then we can change. No, I don't want to use this one. Let me use this child. Then we change the font. So I'm pasting the child, pasting the excellency Osara. So it's this big. So what we'll do, we just reduce it. I think it's okay now. So we'll just position it. But this is not the font I was used now. So let's use a font. Let's choose a font for it. So I think you go and import the font I used. You can download it on the internet. Or I think it's Motel Color Regular. Motel Color Regular. So you can search it on the internet and download it. Just learn how to import font. So the thing is, it's now too small. That changed. So just work on it, increase it. See how beautiful it is. This font is nice. Very nice. We're getting it. So we're almost there. So what next? What next? So what we just do next thing is just to draw a rectangle and write Christ the King Assembly. We're done. So let's continue. So let's go over to shape. Wow, awesome, awesome. So design is just about looking at what you can do and replicating something similar. Shape and angles, shape, text, colors. That's designing for you. I think you should just even move some things backward. But there's no point for it chart to move it backward. So is excellency. I want to move excellency a bit back, a bit down. Okay, so I just put copy and okay, change the color. Let's go over to okay. Let's change the color. The color inside the shape. That's where you change color. So this which color do we work with? Okay, something like this. Now we just is it fit color we use? Is it this color? So what we'll do it's not stroke color. It's normal color. So we can just press this plus icon, then pick color. This is how to pick color. We are picking the color. Okay, this one has been done. So Just pick color. Just adjust it a bit. Yeah, pick the color. Then it is it to reduce the opacity a bit. It's okay. So what we would have to do next is to write at class assembly. So I'll written class assembly. So change color to white, right? Okay, let's move it to the center of it. So guys, we just finished designing this uh flyer. One thing here, we can put the image of the baby this place, you get. So let's try and do that. What I did here, I see saw a baby here. Let's see if we can duplicate the baby. So this is it. This is the baby here. Okay. So now we just can just go to back to this place. Opacity. This is the opacity of the baby. Then put it. You can see it's something similar now, right? So if I off this, sorry, if I off this one I imported. So this is it. Do not get it? We got it. But this thing is on top of it. We can drag it. You can drag it downwards. I just want the baby to be downwards. Okay. Let's go. Get. So our design is ready. Once you are done with like this, once you're done with like this, what you do is just to save it. You know how to save it. You save it. Click on save project. Then you can click on save image. You understand? Always save your project. Yeah, thanks for watching this video. Please do it to subscribe, like, comment if you gain value. Just tell us what we want to design. Comment if you gain value from it. We'll be dropping videos steady. Thanks for watching my video. Bye bye.